Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to import email messages to your Hostinger email account. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger Webmail account. As you see, I don't have any email message on this this Hostinger email account. As you see, the inbox shows 0 emails. Now, how to import email message to my Hostinger email account? It's simple. Just click on this more. First, make sure you are in the mail page. Then click on more, select import, and here you can upload mail using files in MIME or mbox format. And also, multiple files can be compressed into a zip archives. So click on browse and go. In my case, I have already imported my my emails from this account to my computer and then deleted them, and now I am trying to import them back. So let's import the first format. As you see, this is a compressed file. Click on import. Successfully imported 8 messages, and as you see, all of them are displayed as not read yet. Let's refresh this page, and as you see here, they are my imported emails. Now I will import the second archive. The difference between the first compressed file and the second one is that the first one is an inbox format, and the second one is mail dir format. If I decompress them, before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. This is the first one. It is the inbox one, the inbox format, and the second one is the mail dir format. Now let's import the second compressed file, this one. Double click, click on import. Successfully imported 8 messages, and as you see, it's the same as you see, undelivered mail return to sender. This is it, and this is the second one. My bad. Discard. And this is how to import email messages to Hostinger email. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.